Welcome back everyone to the Hello World Guide. This is episode number 24 of the first person shooter series, and in this video we are going to try to fix the thing here we have got, which is that we wanted to make our enemy actually work. Now considering that we have got pretty much a lot of it done, so now the thing that we need to implement is that we want it to actually stop when it chases us at the correct position, and maybe also do some damage. We'll add that stuff later. First let's just let the game start, and once the game has started, let's just go here. What are you doing? And you can see it starts to chase me. Alright, that's a bit of a problem here. You keep falling off this place, so I'm going to just select the ground, and you can just make it a little bit larger. Maybe like I don't know, maybe make it 35. I guess that's a lot large. So let's don't make it 35. Let's make that 15 and X 35. That's better. So yeah, let's just hit play and see if it actually works. Now what should happen is that it should basically chase us, and it will chase us so much that it will kind of get right into us, because let me just show you. So if I just go in here, you can see it does start to chase me, and it is coming after me. Oh, what's that? Or what is it doing, may I ask? Okay, that's a bit of a weird behavior I'm seeing here. I didn't expect that. The reason it's actually doing is because we did not rebake the mesh. But you can see that if I let it do it, then it actually goes inside my skin and stays there. And if I jump up, it doesn't do anything. But if I go forward, then it does do that. So so what we want to do is we want to solve this problem, because this is not nice at all. And anyways, going to the navigation window, and you can see that our navigation is not built properly. Just going to bake and hit bake again, and that's better. So you need to basically rebuild the navigation each time you make a change into your level, and if you want some dynamic stuff, you will have to use navigation obstacles. We will get to using that in this series, I think. So what we need to do now is that we need to basically make it so that this first thing that we should add is a collider to our enemy. So for that, I'm going to just open up my enemy, and I'm going to go ahead and add in a collider. Collider. What collider have we got here? Let's see. We can only add a capsule collider. There is no like cylinder collider. So just add a capsule collider, and make sure that you increase the height of it to be 2 exactly, and that's a lot better. Now it shouldn't actually be able to push into us. It will push us, try to push us, but it will stop kind of at not so good place. But you can open this up, and you can see we've got a bunch of stuff here, including a stopping distance. Now we are going to set this distance to be 4 at least, if not 5. So just apply the overrides, and let's go ahead and hit play. So let me just hit play, and what should happen now is that it should stop at quite a reasonable distance from us. And now of course we have rebaked the mesh, so that we should be able to go off as far as we can without ever having any single bit of problem. And you can see that it is coming towards me, and it does stop at a reasonable distance from me. So that's awesome. And can I shoot this? No, it doesn't have a damageable on it yet. So that works, and yeah, that's pretty awesome. So now we have like got a working enemy that can actually stop when it needs to, and doesn't like try to go into us. So that's pretty good. The next thing that we are going to do is that we are going to jump up our the damageable system a bit. We will do that in the next video. Actually, currently we are going to try to apply to our enemy. And just go ahead and select the enemy, and you can see that I'm going to just go ahead and open up this, I guess, before I do any changes, and add in a like a damageable to this. Okay, that's great. And for the default health, let's say 100. Now if I go out now and I try to run the game, what you should see is that I can actually shoot the enemy, and it does die when I actually manage to shoot him all the way, even though that's not like extremely awesome. Let me see. You can see 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, that's awesome. So I do manage to shoot it in the end. So what we want to do is we want to make it now we want to apply it to the player as well. So let's go ahead and select the player, and we want to apply a damageable to the player as well, and that we are going to give it a total health of 100 let's say 300. The player will have a health of 300, and that's pretty cool. Now what we want to do is now is we want to basically make it so that we can actually detect when a change in the health occurs. Now I want to actually that's something that we are going to do in the next video. For now I want to tell you a really important thing, and that is that firstly I do apologize for not uploading for the past 2 days, and I was kind of a bit busy because in school, I guess, so I couldn't really upload. So now now I'm going to try to upload regularly, and I'm going to make really short and to the point videos every day, and yeah, just enjoy them like every day, and you can kind of follow along them without being too much overburdened. So yeah, that's pretty awesome. So now we have got like this worked out. So in the next video we are going to take a little bit step further, and we are going to make it like add health bars for our player and enemy. So that would be really awesome, and I'll see you in the next video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and well, bye.